Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone settings. In this video, I will show you how to enable auto system update in your Android device so that you don't miss out any update on operating system of your Android device. You keep your Android device smoothly and effectively operate, and you keep your Android device smoothly and effective operating system will improve as far as automatic system update is concerned. This is one of the best things you need to turn on right now on your Android device. Let me show you how. Very first thing you're going to do right here is to exit from here, and then we want to go ahead and start all over and see how can we enable automatic operating system update for your Android phone. Let's get started. Right, so the very first thing we want to do right here on our Android phone is that we want to make sure we go to settings on our Android phone. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you look for about phone, scroll down right here and go ahead and click on about phone. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you look for build number right here, build number right here. However, your build number may not be this section here. You just want to make sure that you search for build number on your Android phone. Next thing you want to do is to tap on the build number 7 times to enable developer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just like so. Then verify your identity to continue. Hit on continue. Now, after enable developer, next thing you want to do right here is to simply go back and back, just like so. We want to go back to setting again. And then by the time we click on search right here, we click on search right here, search setting. So we want to make sure we simply search for developer, and hit on search. So here we go. Go ahead and make sure you click on developer options. Then here you go. From developer options right here, make use of search. Then go ahead and type in auto. Just like so. Then what you need to do right here is to simply scroll down right here. Scroll down right here. Scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you see automatic system updates. Go ahead and click on that. Then it's going to take you to automatic system update. Scroll down right here and make sure you turn on this button right here. And you are done. With that, your phone will never miss any operating system update on your Android device. Each time there is a new release update, your phone will be automatically upgraded. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Android phone settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.